The WYBOT C1 4-in-1 cordless pool vacuum is a technological marvel. Designed to be the guardian of your pristine pool, it is an aquatic knight in shining armor, tirelessly patrolling the watery kingdom to banish debris and maintain crystal clarity. This advanced machine, with its formidable 150-minute runtime and expansive cleaning capability of up to 1,614 square feet, ensures that every corner and crevice of your pool is meticulously attended to. Furthermore, its intelligent 4-in-1 functionality transforms it from a mere vacuum into a comprehensive cleaning system, handling the pool floor, walls, and even the tricky waterline with equal precision. Moreover, the seamless integration of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity allows you to control this powerful robot from your smartphone, providing a level of convenience that was once only a dream. Indeed, the WYBOT C1 is not just an appliance. It's a silent partner in the pursuit of poolside perfection, always ready to leap into action at your command. Consequently, the WYBOT C1 4-in-1 cordless pool vacuum stands as a testament to innovation and intelligent design. This pool cleaner operates with the grace of a ballet dancer, elegantly navigating the submerged landscape while simultaneously performing its Herculean task of purification. Its smart app support grants you the power to schedule cleanings, monitor its progress, and even direct its movements with the simple tap of a finger. In addition, the auto wall and waterline cleaning features demonstrate its profound understanding of pool dynamics, effortlessly scaling vertical surfaces to scrub away grime and scum. Ultimately, this robot's cordless freedom liberates you from the tangles of traditional pool cleaners, offering a sense of effortless maintenance that transforms pool ownership from a chore into a joy. Therefore, the WYBOT C1 is an embodiment of efficiency and elegance, working tirelessly behind the scenes so you can simply relax and enjoy your aquatic oasis. Furthermore, this 2025 upgrade of the WYBOT C1 4-in-1 cordless pool vacuum is a quantum leap in pool cleaning technology. It is a tireless sentinel, forever on watch to ensure your pool remains an inviting sanctuary. With its long battery life and vast cleaning capacity, it acts as a silent guardian, patrolling from the deep end to the shallow end and everywhere in between. Its robust design and intelligent navigation system enable it to conquer any pool shape or size, leaving no speck of dirt or leaf behind. Ultimately, the ability to connect via both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth provides unparalleled control, and you can remotely manage its every move, ensuring your pool is always ready for a spontaneous swim. In essence, the WYBOT C1 is a symbol of modern convenience and powerful performance, offering a superior cleaning experience that redefines what a pool vacuum can be. Pros: works great, saves you time, climbs walls and scrubs, easy to use app, many options on app. Large basket holds a lot, easy to clean basket, picks up small and large debris, great value. Fair price, no cord to get tangled, simple to set up, changes pool care routine, comes with a hook for removal, gets pool clean on one charge, performance is good. Cons: heavy to carry, poor customer service, app connectivity issues, short battery life, doesn't clean stairs well, misses some spots, doesn't clean creases well, price is high. Features: cleans floors, walls, and waterlines, cordless design, 150-minute runtime, handles pools up to 1,614 square ft, smartphone app control, auto wall cleaning, auto waterline cleaning, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connect, multiple cleaning modes, intelligent path planning. The WYBOT OS7010C-C1 is a cordless pool robot vacuum that offers a 4-in-1 cleaning solution. It cleans pool floors, walls, and waterlines with an extended 150-minute runtime. The vacuum is suitable for pools up to 1,614 square ft. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. It can be controlled via a smart app. It features intelligent path planning and multiple cleaning modes, including automatic wall and waterline cleaning. The WYBOT OS7010C-C1 pool robot vacuum offers a convenient, cordless 4-in-1 cleaning solution that saves time with its easy-to-use app, large debris basket, and effective wall climbing and scrubbing capabilities. It provides good performance, getting the pool clean on a single charge and picking up both small and large debris. However, the device has notable drawbacks, including its heavy weight, poor customer service, and app connectivity issues. Some users also reported that it has a short battery life, doesn't clean stairs or creases well, and occasionally misses spots. While its price is considered high by some,